down, get your groove real slow. Get your ass off the floor. Hey, come on.